So moving to the second step, that is calculation of funds from operations. Either you go for adjusted P&L account or net profit information, you will use statement method in order to calculate your funds from operations. But in the sum, you don't have any information about profit something. Okay, your P&L account is not available. Here also net profit is not available. So this is a sole trader business for which you can prepare a statement. Through that statement, you can calculate the profit, which will be considered as net profit, and you will be adapting the statement method. Statement method you will be adapting because net profit we are going to calculate now. So you can adapt statement method and with which you can calculate the funds from operations. So now let me tell out how to prepare the statement showing that how to calculate that net profit first of all. Okay, so since single entry system, no single entry, double entry, we have two types of two methods of entry system. So single entry system is that yeah, it is not obligation on the part of the business people to compulsorily maintain their books of accounts. So in order to know about their profit portion, they will be using a statement. So how it will be, no, you have to mention the heading as these all the working notes actually. So statement showing okay, so statement showing profit or loss. Okay, during the year 2006 to 2007 means that year you can mention. Okay, so that year concerned year. So you will be using only one side of your accounts note. Okay, so you will not be using two sides. Only if it is a account format, you will be using two sides. Okay, if you have any calculation, you can show in the inner column. First column will be your particulars column. Second column will be your amount column. Okay, so here amount column, no. If you have any calculation, you can show in the inner column or else you can go for the outer column. It depends upon you. Okay, so here how it is a here there is again a format how to calculate the net profit or loss for that business. Okay, so what is the format means closing capital. Okay. So one amount will be given in the question. So with that, add drawings. Okay, so add drawings, leave some space. Okay, amount, everything we have to calculate and fill it up here in this first column. So I will leave some space here. Okay, so closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital. So for calculation purpose, I'm just leaving some space. So you just wait and then you can start preparing. So this is the format actually, closing capital. So opening capital, closing capital, I will teach you how to identify. Closing capital, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. Okay. So will give you profit or loss. Okay, profit means if it is a positive answer, no, then you will get profit. Profit made during the year, or else it will the company is incurring loss, that business. Okay. Okay, so this is the actual format. Closing capital, add drawings, only drawings you will add. Okay, so additional capital, anything introduced means in between, that will be subtracted. Opening capital, if you subtract, you will get profit or loss made during the year. So only one item. How to remember this statement easily means only drawings is added here. Okay, closing capital, with that only drawings you are going to add here. All other thing, no, you are going to subtract here. So you need not get confused. Okay, so only one item you are going to add, that is your drawings. Other than that, additional capital in question, if you have anything, drawings if you have anything. Okay, drawings if anything is there means you will add. Additional capital if there in the question means you will subtract. Opening capital if it will be given in the question. So opening capital, closing capital, obviously it will be in question. Okay, so that no doubt in that. Okay, so in question you will be having opening capital and closing capital. So what is meant by that opening and closing capital means your beginning it is there, no, that is known as opening. Your end is there, no, that is known as the closing. So capital here, opening capital means 80,000 and closing capital means 1,20,000. So this amount is only opening and closing capital. Suppose in some of the question, no, here if you see you have drawings, withdrew 20,000 during the year for personal expenses they have given. 20,000 as drawings for personal expenses means it is known as drawings. Okay, so this is considered as drawings. This amount also you'll be taking there. In certain question, additional capital, here you don't have additional capital in this question. Suppose additional capital is also coming along with this means you will take that one also to the statement. Okay, here you will be taking that amount. Okay, so first let us fill the amount column now. So closing capital, so right from seeing the question you can identify 80,000 is opening and 1,20,000 is your closing capital. So just mention here 1,20,000. Okay, why you are preparing the statement additionally means before that you didn't prepare this because it is for a joint stock company. You didn't prepare. Just you found out either issue or redemption there, shares and debentures. But here you are going to prepare and with this only you are going to find out the profit. Okay, so profit information is not there. So you should not see that question profit is not there. Net profit or balance sheet profit and loss account. So how I can calculate funds from operations? You should not think in that way. If it is a sole trader concern means sole trader concern maximum in question itself sole trader they will mention. If not, if they are not mentioning means you have to see whether it is a company private limited or limited like this like that some word is given or person's name is given. From that you can easily identify it is a sole trader business, it is a joint stock, it is a company. You can easily find out from that. Okay, so now closing capital is 1,20,000. And if you see drawings amount 20,000 during the year for his personal expenses. Some question no for month per month also they will give. Okay, 2,000 per month. That means 2,000 into 12 you have to do and convert to for that year. 2,000 into 12, 24,000. So like that also they might give per month amount. So you have to multiply into 12 and find out how much total drawings amount is. Okay, so like that questions also it may come. Okay, so once a sole trader question was asked in your question paper, that's what I have picked this sum. But drawings was not there in that question. Drawings if it is not there also no need to worry, just you are going to have what are the items there, no, that only you are going to fill up. What else it is not there means you just going to show it as nil only. Okay, if it is not there, no, you just show it as nil. Okay, so only if it is there you are going to show the amount. Okay, so once it was asked in your question paper for a sole trader business to prepare fund flow statement. So that's what I have taken this model for you. Okay, so here drawings you have to mention the amount. So if you see 20,000 it has been given, so 20,000 amount you have to take it. So 20,000 you mention here. Since calculation is there, no, I have not entered the amount in the second column, or else you can go to the second column and write. So 1,20,000 add means plus. So plus 20,000. So amount you will be getting as 1,40,000. So 1,40,000. Okay. Now additional capital in some of the question it will be given. He introduced 10,000 rupees. He introduced further means additional capital. Okay, so that should be considered as additional capital. But in this question it is not there. So whatever is there, no, you just write that one only, or else you just skip and come. Okay, here it is not there. So what will happen? Yes, same that. Same 1,40,000 only. Again, you have to write. So 1,40,000 I'm entering here. Okay. So now opening capital, it will be default in all the question. What is the opening capital amount? Initial year, no, that previous year, that is the opening capital, 80,000. So this amount can be taken. Okay. Now find out again, you have to subtract only. So from 1,40,000, less means what? Subtract. Okay. So 80,000 you have to subtract and find out. You can enter in the final column. So nothing you have. Okay. So 60,000 I'm
3,000.
getting. Okay, ma. So this is the amount we are getting for the profit. Okay. So maximum loss and all you will not get. Okay, single entry system problems only, loss, profit, all those might come. You won't get here. Okay, so this is known as the profit, which is considered as the net profit. Okay, so net profit for that year. From this only, you have to start preparing your funds from operation calculation. So as you know, if profit and loss account information is given in the balance sheet, you will go for adjusted P&L. If net profit information either in question is given or else if you are calculating net profit means you have to follow only statement method. Okay. So profit and loss account question la irundhuduna, you will go with preparing adjusted P&L account. But whenever net profit is given in additional information லையோ இல்ல net profit நீங்களே கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்கனாலோ you have to go with the statement method only. Statement method na single side page only you will be using. Debit, credit and all it will not be there. Okay. So moving to the other step, because இதுல இருந்து தான் நம்மளோட funds from operations calculation it is starting. Okay. So you have to proceed further. So far what we have prepared means profit, how much you have to, usually this information will be given to you. Okay, you will be preparing the statement showing funds from operations. But here profit itself we don't know. Okay, so what can we do? So we have to prepare and find out for sole trader business. Since because of that only we have prepared this statement. Additionally, we have prepared this one. Okay. So now moving on to the statement showing. You can mention separate heading. You have to mention again statement showing funds from operation, calculation of funds from operation. So anything you can write, calculation of funds from operation or statement showing funds from operations. Okay. So again, better to mention particulars, everything. Okay. Particulars. And then your amount column. Amount column. Okay. So next is your first thing. What item it will come means net profit only. We are using statement method here for calculating funds from operation. So this is your profit, that will be your net profit. So I am taking net profit here. Okay, so you have to be thorough with your format now. So net profit is 60,000. So we will be having lot of calculations. So better to write in the first column. Okay, inner column. So now moving to the other items, what all things will come, you just find out from the question. So usually adjusted P&L account, how we are preparing that same manner only, statement method also. What all the items there debit side la எடுத்துட்டு போனீங்களோ like depreciation, transfer to general reserve, goodwill, okay, and then loss on sale of fixed asset, all those items whatever you have shown on the debit side, no, all those items you add. Okay. Similarly, what all the items you showed on credit side, like usually very limited items only will come on credit side. Okay. Debit side, if you see adjusted P&L, depreciation, goodwill written off, transfer to general reserve, provision for taxation, all these items will come. That all the items shown on debit side, you have to add with the net profit. Okay. And all the items shown on the credit side, usually very few item, only one or two item profit on sale of fixed asset irunda, that you will show on credit side. That item you have to deduct here. Okay, so very few items only in credit side will appear in your adjusted P&L. That item you just take it to the subtract, you just subtract. Okay, so now what all items we have to add means depreciation we have to add. General reserve is not there. Goodwill is not there in this problem. So you can just leave it. Any items irko adu mattum you can just enter. Okay, so depreciation you can enter. So we can mention either plus or add. Okay, add depreciation. So you have depreciation. So depreciation you have on two items actually. Okay, so if you see depreciation on furniture, machinery, both they have given at percentage. Okay, sometimes they may give amount. So where you will not get confused then. So suppose if percentage is given means you have to calculate on the opening balance. Opening balance kudukalanalum opening balance only you have to calculate depreciation. Okay, if they are not mentioning also, better to provide depreciation on the opening balance. Opening balance alone only you have to provide depreciation. So because two amount is there, no, you will get confused which amount I have to calculate this 10%. You have to always calculate on the opening balance. Amount kudutanga prachana illa. Or else if they are giving you the percentage, you have to calculate on the opening balance. Now 40,000, 36,000 means 40,000 only you have to provide depreciation at 10%. Machinery also same thing. 20,000, 1,17,000 means 20,000 only, that 10% depreciation you have to provide. Okay. So to depreciation on furniture, on machinery. Okay. So furniture 40,000 into 10 by 100, 4,000 you will get. And similarly 20,000 into 10 by 100. So you should be very careful. Furniture, machinery ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் சேர்த்து 10% இல்ல furniture தனியா percentage, machinery தனியா percentage if they have given, you have to go through all those things. You have to go through the entire problem very carefully. So 40,000 into 10 by 100, 4,000. 20,000 into 10 by 100 போட்டிங்கனாலும் 2,000 வரும். So that amount has to be entered here. 4,000 and then 2,000. Okay. Then you have to go through any other items has been given here under the question. So as we discussed, no transfer to general reserve, no goodwill written off, provision for taxation or item is not there. Okay, so or else adukku taniyaga you have to prepare provision for taxation account, additional information la enna kuduthirukanga, all those things you have to go through. Last problem la we did. Here nothing is there information, so we need not worry about that. Okay, so that's all at most item, everything we have done. Goodwill is not there. If it is there, written off anything is there means you will include here. So that's it. Nothing items has been given here. So we can finish this one. Okay, so that we can calculate the funds from operation. So 60,000, with that you have to add 4,000, you have to add 2,000. So find out how much you are getting. Okay, that amount has to be entered here. Okay, so here you will be entering that amount. $60,000, with that 4,000, 2,000 add. If you add means you will be getting 66,000. Okay, so now what is this amount is known as means funds from operations. Sometimes you might even get fund outflow also. Funds from operations also you might get, fund outflow from operations also you might get. Okay. So it depends upon the problem. Okay. So if net profit is less and this amount is more means you will get fund outflow from operations. Okay. Outflow of funds. So this is funds from operation. This is your second step. This amount of whatever we have found out now, that will be your second step. Okay. So far what we discussed now, first step is your statement of changes in working capital, where we found out the working capital increase in working capital. And second step, we moved, since it is a sole trader concern and no profit information is given, I have used all these information in order to calculate my profit. So from this only my funds from operation calculation is starting. Since this is a profit made during the year, I am considering it as a net profit and I am using the statement and I am preparing a statement showing funds from operations and I am calculating this amount. Okay. Now, next step will be your fund flow statement. But before going with that, you have to prepare certain accounts. So, provision for taxation, you need not prepare here because nothing information is given here. You can skip that, or else you have to prepare even for that also. Here, if you see, usually furniture, machinery, if no information has been given with respect to depreciation, just by comparing the amount you can find out either it is a profit or it is a loss. You can sorry, either it is a purchase or either it is a sale. You can just compare and find out. But whenever depreciation amount or percentage is given, depreciation or either additional information means better to prepare that concerned asset account, furniture account and machinery account, and find out either they have purchased further or they have sold out. Accordingly, you have to take to the fund flow statement. So before preparing the fund flow statement, you have to take care whether any asset account has to be prepared. As we discussed in last problem, same way you have to prepare the account. When you will be preparing means particularly when depreciation information இல்ல sometime depreciation க்கு பதிலாக sale கூட பண்ணிருப்பாங்க asset, அந்த concerned asset sale பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So like this, anything you come across means you have to prepare that account only. If not given means just by looking at you will come to a conclusion. So 40,000 or 36,000 it has got reduced. So அதனால sale பண்ணிருக்காங்க. 20,000 next 1,17,000 so purchase பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Like that you can come to a conclusion. But depreciation if it is there means compulsory you have to prepare that account. So let us discuss how to prepare that account and then fund flow statement, everything.